Hi, I am Michael from Jamaica, and in my head, I have the stock recommendations for your financial independence. Hey, today we venture a look into the complex world of biomedicine. We go to Switzerland, man, the country with the highest density of patents in the pharmaceutical biotechnology sector in terms of population. One of these small Swiss biomedicine companies with huge potential is our current tenbagger number 2. Hey, if this topic interests you, then stay tuned. After the risk disclaimer, we continue. Yeah, man. Hey. Listen, man, our current tenbagger, the tenbagger number 2, is a biotechnology company out of the extra class called CRISPR Therapeutics. As I already mentioned, it's a Swiss company with its headquarters in the city of Zug. The year of foundation of CRISPR Therapeutics is 2013. It's a young company which is tradable on the stock exchange since 2017. Here above me, you can read the acronym under which the company is listed on the NASDAQ. Hey, CRISPR Therapeutics is a leading gene-edited company focused on developing transformative gene-based medicines for serious diseases using its proprietary CRISPR/Cas9 platform. In this case, the company name is the program for the procedure of the same name, CRISPR. I think a marketing advantage, not to be underestimated, compared to other competitors. But what exactly is CRISPR/Cas9? CRISPR/Cas9 is a revolutionary gene editing technology that allows for precise, directed changes to the genomic DNA. Yes, man, CRISPR Therapeutics has established a portfolio of therapeutics programs across a broad range of disease areas, including hemoglobinopathies, oncology, regenerative medicine, and rare diseases. In my opinion, terms like revolutionary or innovatives do not adequately describe the novelty of the CRISPR/Cas9. So, is medical history being written here? If all expectations of these ingenious gene editing platforms are fulfilled, yes, then we actually are witnessing a medical sensation. Hey, for all those who are interested in more details, we have a link right under the video. There, the CRISPR/Cas9 system is described in detail. Yes, man. However, CRISPR Therapeutics still has a long way to go before it reaches the Medical Hall of Fame. The approval procedure is long and bumpy and often ends in a dead end. Hey, in 5 to 6 years at the earliest, we will know which of the company's various innovative therapeutic approaches can be implemented profitably. Sure, that sounds like a long wait, but when you consider the enormous return on investment that this company offers, it becomes relative, man. In addition, the value of the company will increase with each stage reached. To accelerate and expand its effort, CRISPR Therapeutics has established a strategic partnership with leading companies including Bayer, Vertex Pharmaceutical, and Viosite. Hey, if we take a closer look at the company's pipeline, we can see the different therapeutic areas that CRISPR Therapeutics is researching. We can also see the developmental stages of the respective therapies and the partners working with on each project. We see that Vertex Pharmaceutical is the partner of CRISPR Therapeutics in a number of projects. This awakens company acquisition fantasies. Such an acquisition would probably make sense for both companies and would significantly boost the share price of CRISPR Therapeutics regardless of the current stage of research. So let's have a look at the weekly chart to check the technical parameters in the weekly chart. We see the double top of May 2018 and December 2019, as well as the successful breakout in late June 2020. The beautiful upward trend from March 2020 did not come to a halt until mid-July. Certainly, CRISPR Therapeutics also benefited from the hype around pharma and biotech stocks in the context of the COVID-19 theme. Nevertheless, an upward trend is still an upward trend. But now, the market is still moving sideways and everything on the weekly chart indicates a correction. I wouldn't be surprised if this correction goes into the area of 74.00 to 69.50 US dollars. For the details, we will have a look at the daily chart. Here in the daily chart, we can see that subordinate has already formed a downward trend, and we can clearly see that a massive cluster of support has developed between 73.50 and 69.70 US dollars. At the latest there, the subordinate corrective downward trend should come to an end. So let us make a final conclusion. With the CRISPR-Cas platform, the company has an innovative method that has the potential to revolutionize medicine. CRISPR Therapeutics is a company under Swiss management that speaks for quality and continuity. This is also confirmed by the financial data. The cash position of almost 900 million US dollars is not only impressive for a biotech company, but also casts a good light on the management. The company is still at the very beginning, but has already positioned itself wisely and solidly. There is therefore sufficient potential for development, man. It is likely that the stock will develop into a real tenbagger. Hey, the future speaks for CRISPR Therapeutics. Even if it will certainly take more than 4 or 5 years. So, how would I proceed as a potential investor? Well, based on the technical parameters explained above, I would do the following. Since the stock exchange does not offer any tradable options, I would buy a quarter of the size of the order at 81.50. This is in case the market starts up again without any major corrections. When the correction comes, the next targets are at 78.50 and 74.00 and 69.75 with 1/4 of the total order size each. If the market fails to reach one or more targets, then I would invest the entire remaining position within the emerging uptrend. Well, so much for our second tenbagger, the company CRISPR Therapeutics. Yeah, man. Hey, listen, if this video has brought you any intellectual added value, please leave a comment. We are also happy, to answer any criticisms or suggestions. Subscribe to our channel and benefit from our knowledge and experience on the way to your financial independence. Yeah, man. Hey, 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 hey.